Welcome to IgoroTech channel. In this video, I will show you how to defrag and how to schedule defragmentation of hard disks on Windows 10. Fragmentation occurs because when you save files on your hard disk, Windows 10 will try to save the file in the first accessible space. Should this space not be big enough for the file, it will save some of the file there, and place the rest of the file in the next available space. If that space isn't large enough for the remainder of the file, it will be split again. This isn't a problem for new installations of Windows and your apps, or for copying or downloading your files to a clean hard disk for the first time, but as a hard disk gets used more and files are changed and deleted, the number of large blocks of free space diminishes, and file fragmentation begins to occur. Take note that SSDs and M.2 drives don't suffer from this, the reason being that solid-state disks are a random access memory storage medium, and therefore pulling a file from multiple locations doesn't slow them down. What slows down mechanical hard disks is the movement of the read arm across the spinning disk platters. Having fragmented disks on a PC can really slow down the operation of the PC, from startup to file access if mechanical disks are used. Windows 10 includes an automatic maintenance system that will automatically defragment drives. You can change the settings for defragmentation in Windows 10 by searching for Defrag in the Start menu or Cortana and clicking Defragment and Optimize Drives. The main defragmenter window lists all of the hard disks and partitions on your PC along with their fragmentation status. To manually defrag a drive, select one or you can select all, then click on Analyze to show the fragmented percentage, then click on Optimize button to start defragmenting. Clicking the Change Settings button will allow you to choose which drives will be automatically defragmented by Windows 10, and how often this occurs, and you have additional option of increasing task priority if 3 consecutive scheduled runs was missed. You can choose to exclude any drives should Windows 10 have not already excluded them from defragmentation. This covers defragmenting hard disks. If you found this tutorial is helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.